To Westminster to see introducing the latest burqa. No, it's actually in Manchkunion.
Alright, y'all. I had to jump on the phone vlogging because the camera is under the bus. But we're on our way to the UK and to London, and we're in a ferry, and then they give us food. And this place is huge. It's 4 a.m. I'm tired. We made it to London. London has been so cold, y'all. It's honestly been gloomy, and I'm a little bit tired because the bus ride was 9 hours, but then from 9 hours we had to get down, and we couldn't sleep all the way through because we had to show our passport. So then after that we get on the ferry, which we didn't know. We get on the ferry, then wake us up, and then we get food. So it was kind of like a bus ride, but interrupted sleep. There was not a 9 hours straight sleep. Give me a man. Hello everyone. We're in London now. The first 2 days were kind of rough because I was sick, so I didn't leave the house. But now...
Sorry, no, you were just fucking lazy.
I wasn't lazy. I was feeling so sick.
He's lying.
Just because I don't look sick doesn't mean that I don't feel sick. I was still smiling, you know.
We are taking the train to Westminster to see the Palace of Parliament and Elizabeth Tower, which is often mistaken for Big Ben. And we're going to see Buckingham Palace, Trafalgar Square, Soho, Downing Street. Yeah, it's a full...
Do you want to introduce yourself as well?
Do I have to? Hi,
Say your name.
my name is Maciej.
He lives here.
I exist.
He exists. Alright, well, I'll take y'all on a ride, on a trip around London. Cold, rainy, and aesthetic.
This is our train, come.
Yeah, y'all, London has one of the oldest metros or tubes. Oh, wow. Oh, we came out right in front of it, huh? God damn. Ah. What?
This is the Palaces of Westminster. The Palace of Westminster. This is where the House of Commons and House of Lords reside. So the governing powers of the United Kingdom.
Oh.
And this is the Elizabeth Tower.
The London Eye.
It doesn't do like this, or it does? Royals so this is where King Charles got crowned. This is where the Elizabeth II's body was in wake. This is where her coffin was displayed.
Oh, I remember.
People were queuing all the way from almost Greenwich for like a day or two to see it.
Wow.
So these are the war rooms. This is during World War II. This is where the Allied forces would reside in London. So the cabinet war rooms are part of the War Museum.
Oh.
Because at the point of World War II, the Great Britain was still an empire.
Oh.
this is where like when there are like military parades and everything else, this is where it all culminates. So they would have stands for people.
Wow. What is his role in the like? What does he do?
What do you mean? He appoints.
But we on GoPro.
He appoints the. I mean, so Britain is in the something constitutional monarchy, and even though
there is no constitution.
I mean, yes.
You have to say it because you became an English citizen.
So even though King Charles has all the power, because he appoints courts, he appoints governments, the army swears allegiance to the king, the monarch, not the government. The king declares wars rather than the government. It is very it's very ceremonial.
So he appoints the government, but at the same time, government can destroy the monarchy. If they vote in parliament to destroy the monarchy, they can remove this anytime they want. It's a very weird concept.
God damn. Santa Claus is coming to town. English, please.
Santa is coming to
Inglés, por
town.
favor.
Español, por favor.
No, gracias.
Yeah.
Actually, are you peckish?
What?
Would you like the best buns ever?
I showed you this.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
That's such a lie.
Y'all, we got some buns. We got some buns, and they are from here. The chick, beef, and custard. Let me show you the inside. Oh, you can't see it yet, but oh, you kind of see it.
Written over the like chicken, and you look for the stamp like that on the bun, and then you find out which one is what.
It's extremely well done.
Nice, no?
Introducing the latest Birkin.
Organic.
Birkin Bun House. It's a collaboration between a bun and a house and a Birkin.
Oh, amazing.
I'm gonna keep this and use it. Just go in front of it. Just quick.
Okay, enough.
Enough. Cut the camera. Ay, buenas gente, ya es como que el tercer día que estamos aquí en Londres y la verdad no he estado como teniendo el mejor tiempo de mi vida, nomás porque los últimos 3 días he estado bien enfermo. Hasta me pueden escuchar como que ando mormadillo. Pero ya por fin hoy me siento mejor, ya por fin siento que voy a ir al gym, al gimnasio, ya por fin siento que voy al gimnasio. Y aparte pues perdí los 2 primeros días aquí porque no salí de la casa. Pero pues hoy vamos a ir al museo. Y estamos aquí en el apartamento de Magic, el chavo que vieron en el metro, en el tube, así le dicen acá, el tube, el tubo. Ay, hasta todos traigo. Pero pues sí, llegamos aquí y estamos en ahorita voy a ir a comprar mandado para hacer algo de comer rapidito, para ir al gym y luego ya vamos al museo. Así que voy a dejar la cámara cargando ahorita, porque la tienda está como que a una cuadra. Y vamos al museo. Ay, buenas gente. Ya vamos saliendo del gym. No está tan frío hoy, es lo bueno. Ay, vamos en camino a un museo aquí en Londres, el Museo Británico. Todavía como que no aprendo muy bien cómo andar aquí en Londres. Lamentada tos. Ya estamos en el metro. It's raining, we have to hurry. I wanna hold you just for a while. No sé ni para dónde ir. Me metí, me pidieron boleto y pues no tenía boleto y le dije que no tenía boleto y me dejó pasar la chava. Y luego nos estaban escaneando los boletos. Problem is when I'm with you, I'm an addict. Gente, creo que es el museo más impresionante en el que he estado últimamente. Bueno, gente, ya salimos. Ya van a cerrar. Cierran en 5 minutos. Así que ya nos vamos. Y espero que les haya gustado. A lo mejor mañana vamos al otro museo y se los enseño. Alright, y'all, we are on our way to watch Wicked. The rest of the boys are there. Yes, we're watching Wicked in London. Did you want to say something to the camera?
I would love to say something to the camera. Something.
Oh my god! This bitch.
No, we're joking. Sorry? The Wicked?
In proper English or in English?
No, it's actually in Munchkinian.
Munchkinian.
That's the actual native language of Munchkinland. So I hope that the subtitles are going to be on. But no, yes, we're going to see Wicked at The View in Westfield Shopping Centre, which is the largest shopping centre in Europe.
Oh! In Europe?
Yes.
Wow.
Wow. Definitely bigger than the one in Cadiz. Does Cadiz have a shopping centre? Mercadona with pineapples.
Yeah, it can hear you. Waterloo Station. Bueno, gente, estamos aquí en Camden, en la área de Camden, que es la área más como culturalmente más artista, que es donde fue que empezaron los Beatles, Amy Winehouse y Prince. Normalmente fue como que una área de trabajadores, pero pues ahora es como área turística. Está un poco lleno, está lloviendo, así que no les puedo grabar mucho porque no creo que se me vaya a mojar la cámara, pero vamos ahorita en camino a un restaurante. Y también aquí fue donde empezó lo de el punk rock. Gente, venimos como que al mercadito, pero no es un mercado. Oh my god. Gente, estamos en la tienda electrónica aquí en Londres.